Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Plumbers, everybody out there. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's adventure, we have a leaky sink. The pop-up's leaking, and we're going to see if we can put it back together. I didn't do the remodel, but we're going to try and go ahead and fix it for the gentleman and get him back online. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We also train the apprentices. My two sons, CB2 and AB. Today, they're in school, but they're usually here and follow their journey. It's going to be a long journey, but it's going to be worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere at all. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's a leak. Okay. How about this? That's terrible. How about this? Isn't that cute? I missed the action shot, but I was just loosening this and it just came apart. So, it's broken. That's why it's leaking. So let me go in the truck and see what we can do here. It looks like a handyman job to me. I don't know if I even got one of these on my truck. It's gonna be a long shot. What is this? Look at this gizmo. They had a flange tailpiece on the... Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me, right? Oh, it's broken two places. Look at this. Oh my lord. Oh, at least it came out easy. Super low grade. Oh yeah. Even the overflow. Oh my gosh. Even the overflow is full. Hopefully this isn't siliconed in. Came right out. So look at that. Broken two places. The nut was broken and the actual pop-up. The PO plug. Let's get all the silicone out. We're going Kistler brass pop-up assembly. I've used them before and they seemed okay. Supply house grade, we shall see. So they want to use a rubber gasket in there. We'll go as per instructions. Rubber, vinyl washer, then brass nut. Pop it up like so. Boom, boom. Okay? No putty needed. Gasket on. Let me sand this down just a little bit. For all you apprentices out there, always make sure this is all cleaned up. Now my number one guy, CB2, and my other number one guy, AB, are in school, like I said, so get this all off. Okay, like that. Boop. the Teflon and pipe dope your tailpiece. Go back up. I always do both now. And don't forget, no cross thread. My guys hear me say this all the time. No cross threading. If I can use the old trap, I will. No big deal. If it's too short, I'm gonna change it. Oh, they got 1.5 inches. These goombas. Oh, Lord. Somebody put 1.5 inch trap adapters in here. This is an 1.5 inch trap. I have 1.25 inch. Extension tailpiece. 1.25 inch tubular traps. Not 1.5 inch. So they will fit on here correctly. Oh God, I just don't get it. I'm still going to use the extension tailpiece on it. It is what it is. And they got a couple, what do you call it? Oh, bloody. Reducing washers. So. 1.5 inch by 1.25 inch reducing washer right here. I'm not going to change the trap adapter. They're too tight to the wall. I've used these washers in the past and they're good. Bang, there we go. We'll get a measurement for our tailpiece. I should have maybe bought a threaded tailpiece, and I'm not using another slip joint washer, but I should have bought a threaded tailpiece. That's all right, that'll work. I need a tailpiece. We're going to call it 5 inches. 5 inches. I'm going to call it 5.5. Scratch it with my cutter. My rigid number 20. Don't go crazy cutting it. Real easy. Quarter turn on the cutter. And again, I should have used a threaded extension. I made a mistake. Plumbing, there's so many different ways you can do everything. I personally like to use ABS all the way out here with a union joint on the a union trap they can take apart. But they already had all this in and I can't cut the wall. I'm not going to do none of that. So, make sure we get all lined up here. You can just go hand tight, man. I'm telling you. Get the plumber's grip and boom. This one probably not so. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's do the pop-up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mechanisms that are here with this faucet already. Right here. The pop-up up top matches the faucet, so I'm just going to use this mechanism here for the pop-up itself. Did I put it in yet? No. Alright. Oh. I usually do all this by feel. Pop up, and then right in here, Daddy. Oh. How about we put the washer in? We get the washer. You put it on here so you don't lose it. All right. Oh no. I was wrong. It does go this way. There's already a washer in there. There we go. Always test it and try and pull up your pop-up before you tighten everything up. There you go. Done. Here we go. And voila. That should do it. A little crank with this here. Boop. Oh, I'm loosening it lefty, loosey dolly. Boom, boom, boom. Not too tight because if not, you're going to pull. It's going to be hard to pull. I'm going to turn the water back on because I did turn it off in case the owner came up and used the sink. So let's test out our trap. I'm going to fill up the sink. You want to check it to make sure it's not leaking. It holds water, so let's give it a go. Check all your joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different joints that can leak. None of them are leaking. So, and there goes another satisfied customer.